Alright, we're back, guys. Hold on. Alright, we're back, and now we're going to start with the procedure of putting it all together. First thing I'm going to do is get our tower in here. You can see I'm using a block of wood because I honestly just don't think it's a good idea if you just have your processor on a carbon floor. It especially won't give it room to breathe because the power supply is on the bottom. And so the vent for the power supply is on the bottom. And the interesting story about the piece of wood is that it came with this computer desk, which is not new. I bought it used from a thrift store for only $14. And what a deal it must have been. And I never was able to figure out where that extra piece of wood went to, and there was also a couple of pieces just like it. So honestly don't know what to do with them, so at least this will be useful for the tower, that being on a flat surface rather than on a carpet. So here we go, we're going to put this in. Now I knew this was going to happen. I'm going to have to cut an extra hole in because the processor's already running into this wall, so we're going to have to get that taken care of. What I'm going to do now is do an outline for the opening we're going to have to cut out, and I knew this was going to have to happen, so at least I got a flashlight with new batteries. It's excellent, perfectly bright, so here we go. Now drawn my opening to be cut, and now I just need to find the marker cap so the marker doesn't dry out. And now I'm going to use a tool called a jigsaw cutter. I put it in my room because I had a feeling I would need to use it, and I'm sure glad I did. I'm going to plug it in there. Prongs are bent out. That's not a good thing. Now we're going to test it out. Works. Alright. I hope I can do this. It's awfully loud, so I'm going to go get my earmuffs.